Hi, I'm Elizabeth Gurney of Elizabeth's Granola, I guess. I've been making granola for many years for family and friends, and I don't know, a couple of years ago, my friend Leslie talked me into going big, and we started making it down at Larkin Square in the filling station, and sold it at the holiday Live at Larkin event every year for before the holidays, and all the proceeds go to the food bank. Feed More, now Buffalo Food Bank, now called Feed More. It's very important to me and my family, so we thought it would be a good way to raise some money for the food bank, especially at this holiday time of year. So there are a lot of nuts in my recipe, and you have a couple of options. You can buy them chopped, or you can chop them by hand, or if you have a handy dandy little pulser or Cuisinart or whatever, you can do it the quick way. And again, it's up to you how chopped you want them. Sometimes I like some big pieces of them, and sometimes you get a mixture. Okay, so the basic ingredients in the granola is oats. And make sure you use the old-fashioned kind, not the quick oats, because they don't work as well. Quaker oats, any kind of oats that work fine, but the old-fashioned, not quick. The next ingredient is coconut, and again, there's lots of different kinds, but whatever you want is fine, and that just goes in along with the oats. Okay, so we've got the oats and the coconut, and we're adding nuts. I use hazelnuts, almonds, and pecans, but again, you can use your favorites, anything you want, and whether they're sliced or slivered or chopped or finely chopped, again, up to definitely your preference. So, but I've got almonds, hazelnuts, and pecans in here for today. All right, so now we're putting the liquid in, which is a mixture of oil and honey. So I whisk that up, mix it all together, and just pour it over the dried oats and nuts, etc. And then mix it up as well as you can. Just mix it in to try to get it pretty even consistency here. And then the last final ingredient is a little cinnamon and some salt. Again, depending on your preference, but I think that makes it extra good. Now we'll mix it up. And then get it in the oven. Okay, so we've pretty mixed up here. I will take this over and put it in the oven, 375 oven, half an hour, 45 minutes ish, but again, the key is keep checking it. You want to stir it every 10-15 minutes at the most, and all of a sudden it's slow for a while, and all of a sudden it's just going to brown right up and be ready to go. Go. Okay, so it looks like we are done here. This is nice and toasty golden brown, and I'm gonna bring it out, let it sit for a minute or two, and see if I think it's really done, but it looks good to me. All toasted up there. Let it cool for a while, and then we can package it up. I've experimented a lot with the packaging, and this bag, food safe bag, tends to be really easy to use and easy to travel and pack. So, but here's a couple other options for you. You might consider just a mason jar, any size, and you can fill that right up. And then I have some labels that go right on top here. Or on the jar, but you could do what you want and certainly get some holiday labels or not. Also, there's tons of containers out there that you could use, whatever you like. So most important thing is just getting it out there and sharing it with friends and family. It's a wonderful holiday treat. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider making a donation to Feed More. Thank you. Happy holidays.